It's like a Polaroid love 사랑 촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 when
Assalamualaikum and hi, especially to my lecturer Madam Nur I am Nur Sakinah binti Ruslan from KBA 1183E. As you guys can see in the title, Know Your Health Through Your Eyeball will be my topic for today. So why I decided to talk about this topic is because to inform my audience that the color of our eyes can be used to determine our health. You may have heard this saying that the eyes is the window to the soul, right? Simply by looking at your eyes, you will be able to identify what is going on in your body. Well, did you know that your eyes can tell a lot about your health? Is it true? Based on article in American College of Healthcare Science, using eyes to determine health is called iridology. Iridology is based on the theory that changes in the structure, texture, and the color of the iris and pupil of the eyes, as it can be used to detect health and sub-health issues. According to this same article stated that an iridology reading can reveal whether organs or systems are overstressed, under or over-functioning or predisposed to disease before symptoms appear in the body. This alternative medicine technique can be used as a preventive tool for us. So why you guys should listen to this topic is because to discover that the color of our eyeball can show us early symptoms of chronic diseases. With iridology medicine technique, provide a starting point for lifestyle consideration and education. It also assists the practitioner in determining the client's potential strength or health weakness. As you guys can see here, is the graph about top 5 causes of blindness. According to World Health Organization (WHO), diabetic patients of retinal affliction record up to 4.8% of all blindness worldwide. With the rising prevalence of diabetes, particularly in developed countries, diabetic retinopathy is one of the top 5 causes of blindness. In fact, diabetes is included in chronic diseases that can be detected by the color of our eyes, which I will be explained further regarding this later. Alright, now let's watch a short video so that you will get the idea what I am going to explain next.
Of 5 diseases that can be detected by examining the eye. Number 1. Diabetes, yellowish deposits, known as diabetic retinopathy. Early symptoms may include blurry vision, floaters, and color blindness. Number 2. Autoimmune diseases occur when an individual's immune system targets the healthy cells in the body and is unable to distinguish them from foreign ones. Inflammation of the eye could be a symptom of lupus or other types of autoimmune disease. Number 3. High cholesterol. High cholesterol can limit blood flow and increase the risk of a heart attack or stroke. There are no obvious symptoms for this disorder, however, if yellow or white rings appear around the eyes, it could be an indication. Another symptom may also include yellowish bumps on the cornea. Number 4. Cancer. If common causes of increased eye pressure are eliminated, your doctor may suggest a more specialized examination to determine if there are any external factors, such as a brain tumor, causing the abnormal pressure. Number 5. Graves' disease. Bulging or protruding eyeballs could possibly indicate a potential thyroid disease, such as Graves' disease.
Dear my audiences, I am capable enough to talk about this topic because I did some research, watched several news and videos on YouTube, and I also read a lot of articles that is related with my topic from reliable sources that have been conducted by many experts. Now, I will be explaining 3 diseases that can be detected through our eyeball as my main points. For the first main point is diabetes. If your eye doctor noticed blood specks in the backs of your eye, you may have diabetic retinopathy, a condition that affects the capillaries in the retina and is the leading cause of blindness in American adults. Symptoms of this condition, such as eye pain, floaters, and blurry or fluctuating vision, may not be noticeable until the condition is severe. Due to this disease, it is important to have an eye appointment with doctor as a routine. Next, let's continue with the second main point, which is cancer. When cancer strikes, your eyes may be one of the first parts of your body to show signs. During routine eye appointment, your eye doctor may detect signs of everything from brain cancer to skin cancer. Tumor can cause optic nerve to expand and your eyes to change shape that might affect your field of vision. Whereas bloody retinas can indicate leukemia. Also, your eye doctor will examine the skin around your eyes for freckles, dark spot and other potential problems. So as I have already covered for the second main point earlier, now for the last main point is grave disease or thyroid issue, hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is linked to grave disease, an autoimmune disorder that causes your eyes to feel red, itchy and in most severe symptoms, it causes your ocular muscle to swell and eventually result bulging eyes. If your doctor notices ocular protrusion or other signs of a thyroid problem, as well as any suspicious or problematic areas, you will be referred to a specialist for further testing. To sum up, it is important to note that all of the diseases listed above are totally avoidable. Hence, you might deal with stress because of chronic illnesses. Also, it can be demanding and it will put additional pressure on you. It is necessary to seek advice from doctor or healthcare provider for further checkups and treatment in hope so that you can be cured with the illness. In the unconscious, we are already at the end of this topic. To be concluded, poor health can cause stress in your life. Also, the stress that comes from poor health is significant nowadays. However, our eating habit also play a big role in reflecting to our health as the good cause. A healthy outside starts from the inside. We must choose the food wisely in order to avoid chronic illnesses because eating well has important long-term consequences in our life. So I guess that is all from me. Thank you.